If you are watching this video, you probably are coming from my video teaser. I'll bet this. Anyone who has uploaded videos on YouTube with the hope of getting views thought at first it was easy. Heck, you probably must have heard many YouTube tutorials say it's easy, but it isn't. So what's the problem to get views easily on YouTube? Simple, it takes too long. If you are creating a review video, for example, you will need to spend hours, if not days, filming and editing the video content with the hope that someone will click through and check it out. And that's not easy. You also probably might have bought into some of those new shiny products or can't fail YouTube systems to get more views. But for some reason, those type of products or systems hardly really show you as a beginner how to get organic traffic. For example, the type of traffic that comes from ranking videos on Google and YouTube using scheduled live events. YouTube has this feature that you can use to create live video events, and you can use that to schedule live video events before the actual event takes place. You probably must have heard most YouTube experts say live videos do rank, and they rank really fast. And that's exactly what the Teazer tool does with a few clicks of a button, plus the fact that it will help you create your review video with ease. Teazer is actually a web-based tool, which means you don't have to download anything. After making a purchase of this tool, I immediately put the tool to test, and here is what I did. I created this video intro and added it with the next video clip that you're about to watch on how this tool functions. Check it out.
Hey, my name's Mark Bishop, and I'd like to thank you for checking out Teazer. So Teazer is a system as well as being a software. Basically, you just plug your YouTube channel into Teazer. Now, let me show you how this works and why it works.
So let's begin with that element that nearly every other course, every other training, every other piece of software seems to just completely forget. It doesn't matter what you do online, if you're an affiliate, whether you're selling products, whether you want to drive traffic to your blog, the fact is that you need that traffic. If you're a new affiliate and you don't have a list, where are you going to get that traffic? Well, with Teazer, that problem is solved. Teazer is a system and a software. So it's a complete system, and it's all the tools you need inside of the software dash in order to use the system. Now, the system consists of 3 main parts and 1 optional part. So you can see here the main video, we upload the video, the event, and the teaser video. Now, the teaser video is actually the optional element that some of you will want to use and others just won't. Either way, it still works. Now let me show you how quickly you can set up a campaign. So step 1 is to create a new campaign. You need to drop in your details here, click submit. Next, you build your video. Now this is the clever part because you don't need to actually make your own videos as such. You can use other people's. Main video is made up of 3 sections. So an intro, an outro, and a middle section. And in the middle section, you can either upload a video. So if you have a video, if you made a review or something like that, then you can upload it here. You can create one. So you can go over to a sales page. You can take screenshots of different sections of the sales page. Those screenshots are saved in the software and compiled into a video. And then you can do a voiceover if you want to. But by far the easiest way is to drop in a URL here. So if you find a sales page, for example, of a product that you want to promote, and you find a video on that sales page, say a demo, and you have permission to use it, then all you need to do is drop the URL in here and click submit. So let's assume that I wanted to promote blocks, and I would just scroll down, look for a video, look for a demo, use this video here. So if I click there and then click there, so this is, and then I take the URL from the top, and then in Teazer I drop that in there and click submit. And now you can see the middle section of the video is added there. So I didn't have to actually make anything there. I just used the vendor's demo video, obviously providing I've got permission to do so, and just drop it in there. So you just drop in the YouTube URL in there, click submit, and then you have the middle section of your video. The next step is to add your intro and your outro. Now we do this because the intro and the outro makes it unique to you. So essentially what we're doing here is sandwiching the actual demo in between an intro and an outro, and making the whole video unique to you. And you can see how quick this process is. What I'm going to do is upload a couple of generic intros and outros that I've got. So I'm going to click here, do the same over here. And now you see I have 3 videos there. What we next need to do is generate a video from those 3 videos. Now in order to do that, all I need to do is click this generate video button. And now you can see that I have a complete video. So I can drag this across and you can see that there's the beginning, so that's the intro. That's the actual demo that I took from the website. And then it finishes with the outro. Okay, so that's one complete video. It's unique to me, and now all I need to do is upload that directly to YouTube. So in order to do that, I just fill out the details. So obviously I put the video title in here and I put the description in here. Now this bit here is where your affiliate link goes. So if I was actually promoting blocks, then I would have my affiliate link for blocks there. Okay, so this is just a demonstration just to show you how quick it is. You basically fill in all the details here the same way that you would do in YouTube and then click upload. Now you can see that the video is uploaded to YouTube, and the next step is to create an event. Now just to clarify at this point, the video that I've just made, the main video, is the video that actually does the selling for you. So make sure you have your affiliate link in the description for that video. Now the event is the part that drives the traffic to that main video. And remember, we don't actually make a video here. All we do is schedule an event. So as soon as you go in to create event, if you're in the same campaign, then it will pull up the YouTube URL. So you can change any of this if you want to, tags, description, so forth. Make sure that you add an event thumbnail. It's important because when it shows up in Google, people will see it as a video, they'll see that image and they'll click on that image. And then select the timing. So today's date is the 12th of July, so I'm going to leave it as the 12th of July and then create event. And that's it. Now you can see that this event is live in 2 hours. But the important aspect is the fact that I've got my link here. And this links to the main video, and the main video does the selling for me. Now if I take this phrase here, open up Google, paste that in, you can see that we're already on page 1. So it was scheduled 2 minutes ago, we're already on page 1. It looks like it's a video. Anybody searching for this phrase, I'm going to click there, they're going to come over here, and then they're going to click that link there. And that's how easy it is to use Teazer. So you can use somebody else's assets, you can use somebody else's videos, sandwich that video between an intro and an outro to make it unique to you. Have your link in the description, upload it directly to YouTube from Teazer, and then create an event with Teazer. And when that event ranks on page 1, then obviously it drives traffic to your main video. It's a complete system all in one place.
Now, as you have just seen from the demo video, all I did was I set up my video on Teazer and plugged it on my channel. So if you're watching this video, it's a clear proof that the Teazer tool really works if you don't abuse it. Now, if you are interested in this tool, I will drop a link below this video that will take you to a bonus page. Here on this bonus page is what you'll be getting from me if you decide to purchase Teazer through my affiliate link. Plus, I will take your purchase through my affiliate link as an encouragement for my efforts. The first product is a tutorial on how to properly optimize your YouTube videos for higher rankings. Like, for example, you create your Teazer videos, you will need to optimize them properly for higher rankings. The second is a tutorial that will show you 7 different places to post your YouTube videos to get even more views. The next is on creating stunning thumbnails for your Teazer videos for free. The next is on how to set up a bonus page for your affiliate marketing strategy and where to get these products to offer on your bonus page, and much more. As you can see, if you get Teazer together with the bonuses I'm offering, it's like having a complete business in a box for a solopreneur video affiliate marketer. So click the link below this video. Check the bonus page out and get Teazer together with these free bonuses and start driving tons of traffic and affiliate commissions today.
Yeah.